Hello again, fourth graders, and welcome to session 2 of our Writer's Workshop. In our second session, we are going to be looking at how we can collect ideas as essayists. Have any of you watched a baking competition show, maybe on television? The bakers get judged in two ways. First, how the cake looks, and second, how the cake tastes. The cake may be beautiful on the outside, but can lose based on the inside. Essay writing is sort of like making a big, beautiful cake. When you're making a cake, the form, or the shape, matters a lot, but so does the actual batter, the contents of the cake. When you're writing an essay, the form matters, but so do the contents. Collecting entries for essays is not like collecting ideas for narratives. Entries for essays can be lists, jumble of ideas, chains of thought, or marginal notes rather than little stories. Writers, today we will learn that one strategy essayists use to gather entries is this. Think of a person who matters to you, and then list specific ideas about that person. Then take one of those ideas and write an entry in which you think about that idea. We're going to be doing that today in your writer's journal. So again, to repeat, you're going to be thinking of one person who matters a lot to you, list some specific ideas about that person, and then put that together in an entry that you think about that idea. Now we're going to do an example first of all together, of course, and we might be thinking about one person's brother. And maybe my brother, I might put down, can be annoying. My brother can have anger and whining issues. Perhaps my brother can have mixed feelings. My brother can be nice and mean at the same time. And my brother can say the wrong and right things at some times. Well, I'm going to choose my final bullet point. My brother can say the wrong and right things at times. Here's my brief essay. My brother can say the wrong thing and right things at different times. Like one time I had a drawing and I showed it to him and he said, "Did you really draw that? It looks like a 3-year-old drew it." And it hurt me a lot. But another time when I was playing a game, he said, "Wow, you're really good." And it made me feel really good. Well, let's try this strategy together so you'll each have one strategy that can get you started writing today. Once again, you're going to be thinking of a person who matters to you, and you're going to be listing ideas about that person. Choose one and write an entry exploring that one idea. Think about the person who matters to you. Push yourself to think of ideas and thoughts about your relationship. Well, let's not waste a second of writing time today, fourth graders. When you finish writing about one idea, grab another idea and write about it as well. So, open up those writing journals, get that pencil ready to go, write down a person that means a lot to you, list some ideas about them, and then practice writing that and putting that into a well-constructed paragraph or essay. That's our writing lesson for today. Good luck and get started.